What's up guys, Shamil here, new Aura Glass, and I'm working on this Volkswagen Jetta, and I'm gonna be cutting it with OrangeBat. Now I have WD WRD, why can't I pronounce it? I don't know. WRD Spider 3, and I had this one for 6 months now. I love this thing. I cut Volkswagens, Audis, new cars, Mercedes with this wire tool. Amazing tool. And this one I got from my friend Victor from WRD Sales on Instagram. I will link his Instagram page and email address. If you are interested in WRD tools, you could contact him. And great guy, he will help you a lot of stuff. So this is what we're gonna do today. We're gonna compare which tool is what. I think that's what it's gonna be. So WRD Spider cuts one line, you know, basic stuff, and uses an anchor to anchor the other end on the windshield. And the other side you pull it with a drill. The line that came with WRD Spider 3 was a P8 line. The line that came with the OrangeBat is XN96 line. In my opinion, I think P8 line is a little bit stronger. I could get a lot of stuff done with this. And XN96 came with this one, and I ripped it. I had this tool for 2 weeks. I was practicing with this tool. It takes time to get used to it. Few tries, definitely is going to take a few tries to master this thing. If you use a wire tool or fiber line tool before, that would be a lot easier to get used to because it's basic stuff. Since this one, 2 lines, no anchor, and you don't really have to move it as much as that one. But some people think you only put this tool on one position and that's it, which is not true. Now if you master this thing and you could do it, go ahead, but in the beginning definitely do not do it. Move this tool in the beginning. I move it 3 times now. I started around here. The way you set it up, this is the back part, it faces roof. This is the front part where the pump is, faces the door where you're going to cut it, because at the end it'll be easier for you to finish the cut on this side than on this side. Now this is your anchor here. You just locked on one side that you're not pulling. If you don't lock it, it will spin around, it will not cut anything. Also, in the beginning, when you first get the tool, if you have one of these, I would recommend starting with this. If you start with the drill, you're gonna rip the line. I'm telling you, you're gonna rip the line. It's gonna happen. It happened to me. And then if you cut the line now, because you use more line on this tool than on that one, you just wasted more fiber line. So definitely pull by hand in the beginning. Practice. This way you get a feel how much you're pulling and where to put the tool. You will figure it out how you're gonna set it up. You're gonna have to try this on your own. But once you figured it out, couple tries, few tries, like I said, 2 weeks before I made this video, I didn't want to just start posting videos without knowing what I'm doing. This thing is amazing. It does what it's supposed to do. It cuts the line. It's few tries and only couple moves. One over here, one somewhere in the middle, and then last one I put it in the corner there so I could finish it. And definitely recommend any of these. If you need Spider 3 or OrangeBat, you gotta get one of these tools. These are amazing. I'm working right here on a Volkswagen, and you know Volkswagens, look, so close, no molding, it's just tight. Look at this, look how close that is. Let me see if it goes, there you go, see how close that is. There's no way I'm gonna stick my knife in there. I'm just gonna scratch everything, and it's white. Now black primer and white paint don't match, so you want to do it good use proper tools. So I have it set up here like a usual tool. It's going back in there, and now I'm gonna cut it. And yeah, I'm gonna use the drill on this. I already practiced mine, you know, pulled it with this. It's a little bit slower with this, but with the drill faster. But in the beginning, go with this one. Yeah, once again, if you guys want to order this tool, look in the description below. There's gonna be information, and talk to the guy Victor. Now, back to the line. In my opinion, P series is better than the XN series. Maybe that's just my opinion. I ripped this a couple of times. I put the P8 on this, and I was okay. It feels like it takes more pressure. Right now, I put the XN96 back on this one because, you know, gotta master it. Gonna have to try it without breaking a line. All right, now last corner. See how they all, if I like both lines, if I start pulling them, the tool's gonna pull the line towards itself and it's gonna rip the line into this one or that one, or might rip it on the outside because of the glass. So what you want to do is stick this out. You want to put it in an angle so you could make it easier on the tool. So let's say I'll put it this way. Last one, and I pump it. Now, tool will pull it like the old design, like WRD. Pull it on the, you know, towards itself. Less pressure on the line, and, you know, less chances of breaking the line, because we don't want to break any lines, especially at the last corner. So let's finish that. I'm gonna do it with the camera in my hand. Let's put this over here. Let's lock this side. Where's my drill? Here we go. Stick it in here. Make sure it's pulling the right way. Nope, this way. Go slow because I don't want to rip the line. And there you go. So I moved the tool 4 times. I'd rather move it a little bit extra than try to cut it with one position, because I don't want to rip the line. And this is a XN96 line. It's a good line, but P8 I think is a little bit better. So amazing tool. If you work on the Volkswagens, Audis, Jeep Wranglers, or anything that's new, because new vehicles have just a little bit space there. Everything's so tight, and using the cold knives or extractors, nah, it's time to move on. WRD, OrangeBat. Don't you feel like Batman every time you say OrangeBat? And yeah, I use these tools, man. R&R for body shops. You have to have one of these. So talk to my friend Victor. I will post all the information about this tool. It comes in different packages. One comes with the for the drill package. One comes with the hand puller package. And just be careful, if you once you get this tool, don't lose one of these, especially this one, because without this lock, it'll just spin around. That's another thing you gotta get used to. Not forgetting this tool. This piece, yeah, it's amazing. Yeah, I love this tool. Definitely recommend it. Definitely get one of them. WRDs are amazing. Right now, personally, I can't decide which one I like more. This I have for a couple of weeks. Spider 3 I have for 6 months, and both do great work. But personally, if I had a choice in the beginning right now, I don't know. I think because this is a new design, I'll go with this. But it's all up to you guys. In my opinion, they're both great. Buy them, like right now. It's a great investment. Glass is out, especially now it's December here in New Jersey. And if you're in a state when it's cold, what you could do is, tool like this, turn the car, turn the heat on, while you're taking the wipers off, car will warm up, you close both of the doors, and from inside, without getting out, you will cut the glass out. It's a great tool. And thank you for watching, guys. Have a good day.